Oh, how nice is this? So I've been doing a lot of running and stuff on the Thames of late, and I did a run a week or so ago. I thought, oh, how nice would it be to actually get on the water of the Thames instead of always running alongside. So we've grabbed the paddleboard, come down on the bikes, and we're just going to spend the afternoon paddling around, just exploring a little bit, and that's going to hopefully lead up to doing a bigger trip on the paddleboard at some point soon that I'll put a film out on. For today I'm just taking it super easy because we're trying to do 50 miles along the Thames Path tomorrow from Maidenhead to Pangbourne, so that's kind of a leg that I haven't done before, don't know yet. It's going to be pretty warm, so we're just taking it super easy and preserving the legs for tomorrow. Okay, we are going for the first ever swim in the Thames. This is truly a world first. I'm not sure if this counts up there with the big ones, but for me, oh, and the bottom is muddy. This feels like there's all kinds of weeds and creepy crawlies. I'm gonna dive in. Funny. Oh my God, there's a boat coming. Not sure who has right of way, swimmers or boats. Possibly not me. That's really nice though, the water temperature is just perfect. Another first done. So let's go.